All right, Harrison Chris in Ohio. You had a special request for the poster. So let me get a Sharpie. And I don't know where I'm gonna fit it, but let's fit it down here. Okay, and let's get a black one. And this is gonna be from the communist state of New York. There it is. Okay, and you get number, I have two being framed. This is number 4 of 150. This is 2025. There you go. Yours actually is going out today because I have a extra shipping tube from version number 1. We're gonna roll this up. We're gonna shove that in there. Oh, come on, baby, get in there. Okay, we have some swag. We got a sticker, another sticker, a business card, a sticker, a sticker, a sticker, and I'm not done yet, folks. A magnet. I am gonna put all of this in there. Right in there. Slide right into your girl's DMs. Oh yeah, right into her DMs. That's going there as well, like that. I got that on there. And we're gonna take the label. And there it is. There it is, folks. And just so the post office doesn't fuck us in the keister, I'm gonna put a piece of tape over this. Just so we don't get effed in the keister. There you go. Number 4, going out today. Really appreciate the support, Harrison. Thank you so much, appreciate it. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025. We're winding down the month of May. Yesterday, we got our Mikey Pipes version 2.0 posters. It looks like a wanted poster. And yesterday, we shipped out one to Harrison Chris in Ohio. And overnight, we got some more love. Shane O'Neill in Saranac Lake, New York. Jasmine Anthony Padilla in Pueblo, Colorado. And a lighting company in Brooklyn, New York on Kings Highway. I can't pronounce the name. Looks like Ovary Lighting, or Ovidus. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Really appreciate it. It's amazing. It's amazing the unconditional support that you have, the community, for myself, my company, my colleagues, the team, the channel, business. Today, hopefully, the rain stops. It's been nothing but raining here in the great communist state of New York. We have to move some ductless equipment. We gotta move an indoor unit 4 feet to the right, which is okay because that's gotta shorten the line set, shorten the wiring, shorten the drain. Another one I gotta take from one room and put it into a whole other room, and that's gonna require a new line set because I don't braze. I'm not gonna use a Zoom lock cup. I'm just gonna run a new line set. One less chance for failure in the future. Got the line sets ready. I gotta pull the communication wire, but first I gotta have some coffee. Nothing like fresh iced coffee. You know what I mean? I got another tax notice from the New York State Department of Taxation and Finance. These motherfuckers are retarded. They really are. So this is for my corporation that handles all of my intellectual property, social media, etc. So this is for the tax period of 2024. And it's a notice and demand for payment of tax due. Now, apparently, when my accountant and tax preparer prepared the CT3 form that was filed on April 15th. No, sorry. It was received on March 12th, 2025, right? For a period ending December 31st, 2024. Apparently, there was a calculation error. Now, you look at all these numbers and it makes any sense. But apparently, I underpaid New York State. You can't, this is unbelievable. Right? You're not going to believe this. That I underpaid New York State. This is insane. This really makes no fucking sense whatsoever. I underpaid New York State 24 cents. Okay? 24 cents. And because I failed to pay them 24 cents, I was assessed a penalty of $25 and then interest on that of 29 cents. So now I owe $25.53. Can you believe this shit? So now I could disagree with the findings by filling out this form. This is fucking retarded. Really? Seriously? You're going to spend more time fighting them, right? You're going to spend more time fighting them for $25, where it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars to have your accountant, right? Bookkeeper, tax preparer, submit all this paperwork, substantiating that, no, we didn't make a mistake. This is how New York State fucks businesses. This is why New York State is not business friendly. And I swear, as soon as the second oldest son moves to Florida, I'm out. I'll be here part-time. I will come here part-time. I will fly here part-time and manage. This is fucking retarded. What the fuck is wrong with New York State? He first went after former and now current sitting president Donald J. Trump for inflating the value of Mar-a-Lago, right? That fat pig, who is the New York State Attorney General, prosecuted Donald Trump, President Trump, claiming that he overvalued the property, right? And it's not worth $100 and something million. It's worth like $18 million. Are you fucking stupid? $18 million for a giant piece of property with structures on it on Palm Beach Island? Are you fucking retarded? She must be smoking that good shit with AOC, I swear. Meanwhile, those who live in glass houses, look at her falsifying mortgage documents so she can get better rates, claiming that property in Delaware, wherever it was down south, is her primary residence. And then that house in Brooklyn, falsifying the amount of bedrooms that it has so she can get better rates. Get the fuck out of here. These fucking, you know what? They're all fucking corrupt. I swear, the United States, the people of the United States elected Donald Trump to fight for us, yet these judges shoot him down on every single thing along the way. Just last night, a federal court in Manhattan ruled that these tariffs are, he doesn't have power to do that. So all the deals that he's making with these companies are now going to be on hold. These stupid motherfuckers. I'm telling you, hopefully I don't get in trouble for saying this, but I really feel that there's a coup coming. Right? And it's not those crazy fucking woke liberals that are going to take over. The conservative party. The ones with a brain. Wow. It's sad. It really is sad. The majority of Americans spoke, yet you have these stupid woke motherfuckers. Why are trannies still allowed in fucking girls' fucking locker rooms in school? Why? Why is that? Stupid motherfuckers. And it's all social media causing brain rot. I swear. I really do swear. You know, I'm putting together a Mikey Pipes cuffed and uncensored video. I got the raw data, right? I'm downloading it right there. Takes some time. I got it from evidence.com. I was working on it yesterday on my laptop at home with a couple of espresso martinis. That didn't go too well for me because I just lost my train of thought. But you have, in summary, I'm going to try to upload it today or tomorrow. I still got to put it together, right? But essentially, Palm Coast, Florida. Matter of fact, I'm just going to play the opener for you. You ready, guys? Here we go.
March 25th, 2024. Palm Coast, Florida. Deputies respond to a Walmart after reports of a brazen theft in broad daylight. A woman allegedly fills a cart with over $1,000 in merchandise, walks right out past all points of sale, then stashes the loot in a nearby car and flees on foot. When law enforcement catches up with her, the story takes a wild turn. She claims it was all just a game, but what deputies uncover next is no joke. Inside the vehicle, not only the stolen merchandise, but meth, weed, prescription pills, digital scales,
and a handgun. Amber McCann, the woman arrested in that video, was subsequently sentenced to time served. She spent up about 2.5 months in local jail, and was given probation for about 5 years and given drug court. Hopefully, Amber gets the help that she needs. But that is not the video that I am dying to get my hands on from the Sanford, Florida Police Department. Because that video is going to be fucking epic. It really is. I am going to actually fly in Connor and Air Force One so we can watch the global premiere on the big screen in my house. Not the big screen theater, you know. But that video is going to be epic. Pretty epic. And this whole thing with the voyeurism around the premise and genre of watching people do stupid things, resisting arrest and get locked up. There's a lot of money to be made with that, by the way. And you think that the lawyers are making all the money. It's the YouTube content creators that are getting the body cam footage, editing it, putting it into a 15, 20-minute clip, and then uploading it to YouTube and getting millions of views, making boatloads of cash. Boatloads of cash. In case you guys don't know, about 1 million views equals $10,000, generally. That's on average. Some may be significantly less. Some may be significantly more. But the rule of thumb is that 1 million views equals $10,000. So let that sink in for a minute, okay? Oh, I think it's finished downloading. I see the wheel stop spinning around. All right, guys. Happy Thursday. I just ran payroll. Yep, just ran payroll. The rain looks like it stopped just as expected. It's 6:30 in the morning here. I gotta get the communication wire, the drain hose, and some covers for that right there going, so we don't forget that. Don't forget, folks, posters are available. $42.50. You're gonna get a nice autograph poster, which is gonna be numbered in the back. It's gonna be autographed, and if you want any special messages on it, let me know. It's hard. There's not really a lot of room on there, but I'll try to fit it on there. I'm going to ship it with 5 stickers, a pen, a business card, and a magnet. You can't go wrong. It's the ultimate swag pack minus some wearable merch for $42.50 delivered to your door anywhere in the United States. The 50 states united. If you live internationally, we have to talk. You got to fork over some cheddar. Because there's like customs forms and this bullshit and that bullshit. It's not as simple as just throwing them in the mail. Catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.